Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question is the correct match is. We have to find the correct match for these options. So the option number A, which is saying that dx square minus y square or atomic orbital have one nodal plane. So first of all, we need to draw x square minus y square. The nodal plane, first of all, we need to understand. So nodal plane is nothing. Nodal plane is basically the plane where it is the plane where electron density is 0. Electron density is 0. Okay, so basically this is the means of nodal plane. Now we have to basically draw the dx square minus y square. So it is like similar, we have x plane and y plane. So one lobe will be here and one lobe will be here. Let's say this is the x axis and this is the y axis. So we can see there is no nodal plane because all the electrons are there in the x and the y axis. So no nodal plane. So we can say यहाँ पे हमारा जो ऑप्शन नंबर ए है दैट इज रॉन्ग. कमिंग टू द सेकंड ऑप्शन दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी विच इज पी वाई एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल. पी वाई एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल अगर यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करा जाए तो पी वाई हमारा सिमिलर टू लाइक दिस होता है वेयर दिस इज द वाई एक्सिस. Again we can see there is no nodal plane because all the electrons are there in the y axis. So there will be no nodal plane again. That means this is also false. Coming to the option number C, the C option is basically sigma px is G-rad. Now what do you mean by G-rad? Let us understand that part. So G-rad is nothing, it is just means that the center of symmetry. So basically if any of the shape is having the center of symmetry, so we can say that कि वो G-rad होता है. ठीक है, तो center of symmetry जहां हमको मिलती है that is G-rad. So we can just draw it and we can find the G-rad. So sigma px क्या होता है? Sigma px is simply we have the p orbital along the x axis. ठीक है, along the x axis होता है. तो हम अगर यहाँ पे एक अगर बीचों बीच से यहाँ पे अगर प्लेन हम कट करेंगे so we can see we will be having two equal part. That means यहाँ पे एक बिल्कुल center of symmetry हमको मिल रही है. That's why we can say that sigma px is a G-rad. So we can say that option number C is the correct answer. Even in the option number D we can check, it is given that pi star py. So pi star py is again we having py, that means again like this. So in the py even we can find the center of symmetry at this point. So but यहाँ पे दे रखा है this is un-G-rad. Un-G-rad मतलब this is not having any center of symmetry, which is false. So only the correct option for this question is option number C, which is sigma px is a G-rad compound, which is basically we consider the center of symmetry. So the correct option number C. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.